On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate your life? And most of my friends rate their life an 8. And I said to them, but what if this is just a 2? What if what you think is an 8 is actually just a 2? See how it's such a better question? When you ask a question like, what if my life could get 10 times better than this? Then all of a sudden your brain expands. If you stay where you are and you say, this is as good as it gets, or this is fine, or I'm perfectly happy doing this, you're never going to evolve and expand your brain. And so the question is, do you want your life to have the variety of expansion or not? And that's completely up to you.
I'm Brooke Castillo. Nice to meet you.
I started the life coach school almost 17 years ago as I just became a life coach. When I started life coaching, people didn't know what life coaching was. I had studied psychology my entire life, but had decided not to be a psychologist because I found it very depressing to be working with non-functioning people, trying to get them to functioning. I had already had a high-functioning life. I was already doing very well, but all of the self-help books I was reading and all of the content that I had with like workshops and that sort of thing kind of took my life to the next level. And so when I realized that was a career that I could start, I immediately signed up for it. I've been in this game from the ground floor. I've been studying life coaching since it was a brand new career, and also studying internet marketing since it was a brand new career. My two loves are life coaching, and that's the purpose of my life, but I also love business and marketing. And so I'm able to offer that to my students in a way that a lot of other programs aren't. Other programs will teach you just accountability life coaching, which is useful in some circumstances, but not all. And I'm able to teach you causal coaching, which is useful in all circumstances that is appropriate for coaching. But I'm also able to teach you all of my marketing techniques and all of my business techniques that have made me so successful as an entrepreneur. That's the magic combination. That's why when you hear about so many of our coaches making $100K, making $1 million, making over $1 million, it's because I'm not just teaching them how to manage their mind, which is a huge component of that, but I'm also teaching them how to really, truly build a business and become an entrepreneur. One of the things that it's important for you to understand when you're kind of considering joining our community is what I believe and what we believe as a school. And one of the things that we do believe is that it is possible for everyone to make their dreams come true. I believe that your dreams, your desires, what's in your heart is your map to your future. And all of the noise that tells you that you can't do it, all of the noise that tells you that it's not possible for you, is your work to overcome in order to have your dreams come true. I want you to say yes to life coaching. If this is your dream, if this is what you're considering, I of course want to help you get there. I want you to take this one precious life and make it exactly what you want.